nobody to sell it to. And then if you have a good product, who knows you have a good product? How are they gonna know that you got this good ass product? How are they gonna know you got this good service? How are they gonna know you got this good business? They don't even fucking know you. They in Miami living their best life. They don't know you. They don't know who you are. They don't know you have this good service for sale. So how are you going to learn the steps and how to get them to know what you have to offer, what you have, or what you do? You have to learn them strategies. If you don't learn them strategies, you're not gonna get in front of them people. You don't make them more money. Period. So when we're making $5,000 a month, when we're making $10,000 a month, we're making $20,000 a month. Start thinking of tactics. How I turn this thing from $20,000 to $40,000 a month. I'm not satisfied. I'm not. This is not good enough because that shit. This $10,000 a month ain't good enough. I used to think $10,000 a month was good until I started making 20 and 30, and that wasn't good enough. And I'm still like, goddamn. You feel what I'm saying? Shit is high. Shit is high out here. I tell you that. And then, but when you start learning these marketing tactics, you start learning these strategies to grow your following and to get in front of more people, you will just start learning different components of how you can do this thing. It is multiple ways you can do it. You just gotta learn it. You feel what I'm saying? You just gotta learn it. You just haven't learned it. So that's how you haven't did it. You feel what I'm saying? So it's tactics to do it. You just gotta learn it. But yeah, so we're gonna be going over that. So now I'm launching my elite marketing bootcamp. So my elite marketing and digital products bootcamp, so that y'all can get tactics of how I made $100K in a day, or how I made $1,000 a day for 18 days in a row. You know what I'm saying? Just like with just simple little tactics. And the crazy thing was, this shit was no work involved for real. Like the cool thing about not trading your time for money and having digital products and services, that you can, when you make a lot of money and sometimes in a short period of time, and you make 20,000 or something like that, I didn't do no work. That's the difference. A person can make the same 20,000 I make, but then be working a fucking ass off 10 hours a day. A female that's the best hairstylist in Atlanta or something like that, she doing 20 heads in 2 weeks. She made her 20,000, but she had to do 20 damn hairstyles all day. You know what I'm saying? She made 20,000, but I sold a digital product, or I sold this, or so I sold that, and I wasn't trading my time for money. So then I made $20,000, and I'm chilling. That's a big difference. You want to get into that. You want to get into that position of you being able to do that, because that trading your time for money stuff is not. It ain't really it. You know what I mean? And then now you capping yourself. So now you only can make a certain amount of money because you physically can't do a large quantity of cut. You cap yourself off to even make a lot of money in a short period of time, because you physically can't do 1,000 heads in a day. But I can sell 1,000 books in a day. You feel what I'm saying? So why would I choose to do something like that and not do this? Forget that. I'm doing this. You know what I'm saying? So that's what I really want to. That's what's in the new program. What I really want to show y'all, how everybody can even utilize these tactics to be able to create these things, to be able to sell them online, and then how to grow, how to 5x, how to 10x it. You get what I'm saying? Hey, what's going on, Free? What's going on? What's going on? So we're gonna teach y'all how to create these things. Then we're gonna teach y'all how to scale them up. Then I'm gonna teach y'all how to. This gonna sound crazy, but I'm gonna teach y'all how to make 6 figures out of a $27 product. I got a sequence and a setup so cold to show y'all how to put this thing together and set this thing up and push it and market it, that you can literally make 6 figures off a $27 product. Literally, you can literally make 6 figures off a $27 product. Some of us be thinking about all this high ticket stuff. I gotta sell something for 2,000, 5,000, 10,000. When literally, if you knew what you was doing and how you was doing it, and you marketed it the correct way, and you set it up the correct way, and you put your systems in place, you can literally make 6 figures off a $27 product. You just gotta know how and what to do. All right, and then we gotta stop getting comfortable. Y'all gotta stop getting comfortable. You making $10,000 a month? Oh, you sell and buy? No, fuck that. Fuck that. No. How could I turn this $10,000 a month to $20,000 a month? How could I turn this $20,000 a month to $40,000 a month? How could I turn this $40,000 a month to $80,000 a month? If you don't continue to be like that, if you don't continue to be the person who wants to grow this thing and expand this thing and scale this thing up, you're just gonna be average. And we're not doing that. We trying to grow this thing, scale this thing best as we can. So we want to be able to think of tactics, learn strategies, Learn new skill sets to be able to grow this thing from 20,000 to 40,000. If we're making 40,000, we need to make from 40,000 to 80,000 a month. And it's possible. You just got to learn the skill sets. You guys got to learn, you got to have the right mindset and then learn the skill sets. And get some, might need some mentoring, some coaching to make it easier for you, make the process a little easier for you. But you got to start thinking like that. If not, you're going to be average. You're going to be just sailing by, and you're going to be the person who only making $40,000 a year, and then you're going to make $1 million into 35 years. If you want to be that person, then cool. Or you want to be the person that's going to make $1 million in 1 year. You're going to be able to make the same amount of money between two people, but you made it way faster. But you got to learn the skill set. You got to learn what to do. You got to learn how to do it. And you got to be locked in, and you got to implement the information you get. So that's what I want to teach y'all, all right? This is what I want to put y'all on to. This is what's going to be in the new program. So y'all need to go to my Instagram, click the link in my bio. Y'all need to join the waiting list. And if y'all want to start with little bits and pieces right now, y'all go get the products that's 90% off. All right. Yeah, that's in the universe that's finna drop. We finna get lit. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. I'm not holding back. I'm literally giving y'all everything, like for real. Like, y'all don't even know. I've been working this thing for 3 months to really break this thing down to y'all, to really show y'all, like, hey, no, when y'all put this together, how I'm telling y'all, piece by piece, step by step, this gonna get fun, because y'all gonna people gonna be coming back like, hey, Smitty, man, I done made some bread out there, and I ain't do that much work. It's really gonna mess with y'all head that y'all done made 10,000 off hours worth of work. Remember what I said? We don't wanna work, get paid. We wanna work one time and then get paid. Y'all see the big difference in that? Would you rather, matter of fact, I'm gonna let y'all answer. Would you rather work, and then get paid? Or would you rather work hard one time and then get paid? That's the difference between trading your time for money and setting up products or services. So that's what I'm gonna teach y'all. All right? For real. That's what I want to teach y'all. I went from making $6,000 a month to over $20,000 a month from listening to Smitty. That's a blessing. I ain't gonna lie. Hey, my boy, CG. Hey, that's a blessing right there. You can't beat that. But you was willing to probably listen and learn, though, my guy. You was probably willing to listen and learn, like, hey, nah, bro, what this? You know what I'm saying? That's exactly how I gotta be. You gotta be able to listen and learn and implement these things. There's a lot of people that be just listening all day too. Oh, that's a good idea. Oh, that sounds good. But then don't implement it. How does it sound so good with you, but you don't want to implement it? You don't want to go do it. You don't want to set it up. You don't want to learn how to set it up so then you can actually go set it up in real life, and it just don't be a thing that just sounds so good to you. We ain't doing that. We not doing that. All right. We not doing that. We not doing that. We not doing that. Okay? We not doing that. We is getting our shit together, bro. This shit is doable. Bro, this shit is doable. I didn't know none of this shit 2 years ago. But I locked my ass in like no other. Fuck everything. This tunnel vision, learn and implement what I learned. I'm learning new shit, and I'm implementing.